Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming you legally own the Zelda Tears of the Kingdom cartridge or digital purchase. Only update using the official update files that you dumped from your own console. Do not download unauthorized or pirated update files from the internet. Emulation can be used for preservation and testing when you follow the law. Keep records of original ownership and receipts when available for clarity. Respect developer copyrights and avoid sharing any copyrighted game files. Ensure your Yuzu emulator is updated to the latest stable build available from official sources. Back up your current game directory and all save files before attempting any update changes. Use only official, legally dumped update files from your own Switch system. Keep a separate copy of the base game files in case you need to restore them. Confirm storage has at least 5 GB free to avoid interrupted operations. Maintain clean folders to track which files belong to updates and which are backups. Import legally obtained update files into Yuzu using the emulator's supported update or game management options. Verify that the update matches your game version and region before proceeding to avoid mismatches. If the game fails to run after updating, restore your backed up files to revert to a working state. Check emulator log output and basic settings such as firmware and region configuration for common issues. Seek help from official emulator documentation or community channels if problems persist. Always keep your backups until stability is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.